Hi guys, I'm here with my 2005 SLK55 and I'm just doing some housekeeping in the engine bay. I've recently picked up this car and there's quite a lot of leaf debris in the lower sections of the motor, and I couldn't quite get my ShopVac into it, but I found that if I was using a bit of irrigation conduit cut to about two feet, that's what I had roughly lying around, I found that it's actually quite effective at getting at those very hard to reach places. So using a flashlight or a torch to see where I'm going, I just turn on the vac and you'll see how it goes.